All right, problem number 4, again, we want to graph, and it's going to be the whole section. However, the way that this problem is set up, and I'm kind of pointing these out so that you get used to seeing them as you move forward, because in 4.2 and 4.3, you have to do different methods. But y equals 4x, and then we have 5x plus y equals 9. All right, so the way that this one is set up, it would be probably the best to do substitution. You already have y equals, solve for y in the first equation. In the second equation, we just have a single y, so I can just plug that in. So I'm going to show you substitution now. So I'm going to take the 5x, and then in the place of y, since I know that y equals 4x, I'm going to replace that with a 4x. So I just substituted there. So I got my 5x, my y, which was 4x, equals 9. I solve this. 5x plus 4x gives me 9x. And then that equals 9. And then I would divide by 9. And that would give me x equals 1. So once I figure out x, I take that value and I plug it in. Sorry, pulling it off the screen. I take this value and plug it in to either one. It's probably going to be easier to plug it there. So I'm going to say y equals 4 times 1. 4 times 1, y equals 4. So we get the ordered pair 1, 4. All right. With graphing this, I'm going to now show you a different method. Okay, so one of them is already in y equals mx plus b form, or y slope-intercept form. So I'm going to leave it like that. The other one, however, is in standard form. So one thing they do is find the intercepts, which I guess it wouldn't be the best thing to do that now that I'm looking at it, because we'll have some fractions. So I'm going to go ahead and do slope-intercept form here again as well. That one's already in slope-intercept form. If I take the 5x plus y equals 9, and I subtract 5x from both sides, we end up with y equals negative 5x plus 9. All right, so we got slope-intercept form, slope-intercept form. Again, I'm going to graph these, and we already found the intersection. So graph, click the line tool. We're going to start at 0, and the slope is 4, so I'm going to go up 4, right 1. It looks like it does give me fractional points, so I probably could have done the fraction as well. And then I'm going to click the line tool again, and then we're going to go up 9, and my slope is negative 5, so I'm going to go down 5, and then we're going to go right 1. And if you look at that intersection, that is 1 and then up 4, which is what we got. All right, and then we're going to put the order pair in.